Oh, hi. Yeah, Bob Coppedge, CEO of Simplex-IT, and we are here at the Design to Part show here in Akron at the John S. Knight Center. And what's kind of interesting is, why is Simplex-IT a managed service provider here? It's because we do IT services for manufacturing. And so we're here with, I would say, almost a couple hundred or so other vendors, and we're talking about IT and manufacturing. And so far we're meeting a lot of people, having a lot of great conversations. We are giving away rocket pens. We are giving away books to those people who will, take them. But also we've got the beers and gears. So we're actually doing kind of an after show party for the first day today, Wednesday, at Missing Falls Brewery, our favorite brewery. And it's just going to be networking, just folks getting together from the show, from wherever, and chatting, having a good time. Boy, is this fun. Yay, especially me doing this video. That's the funnest part.
My name is Rob Eichner. I'm the president of Design to Part. We run contract manufacturing trade shows. We do them all over the country. We're currently celebrating our 50th year of business. Today we are in Akron, Ohio. It'll be the 10th of our 11th show this year, followed up by Nashville at the end of the year. Our shows primarily focus on getting business for custom contract manufacturers. Your injection molders, stampers, casters, anybody who does custom parts or services for OEM type of companies. Our attendee is engineering and purchasing based from larger product companies. An example of an attendee here would be Rolls-Royce. They may be coming looking for some components for their engines, looking for some castings, whatever they may need. Again, many of our regular exhibitors come from your standard type of manufacturing sources, casting companies, stamping companies, metal fabricators. Today I have the pleasure of being here with Haley from Simplex-IT, who's kind of a exhibitor that we don't get a lot of normally, but our attendees certainly have a need for those type of services. It seems to do a great deal of service to our attendee when they can come here and not only find your standard manufacturing processes, but other things that are maybe off the fringe of that, such as IT or materials or types of software.